Most people don't even realize how much they are risking their privacy every single day just by using Google Photos. Yes, the app that's supposed to keep your photos safe might actually be exposing them in ways you never imagined. From private screenshots being uploaded automatically to strangers potentially knowing your exact home address through a single photo, the danger is real. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you 5 hidden Google Photos settings you must change right now to protect your privacy, your security, and even your Google storage space. So stick with me till the end because missing even one of these steps could leave your personal life completely exposed. Turn off automatic backup of risky folders. By default, Google Photos tries to upload every single picture and video on your phone, WhatsApp images, Telegram downloads, screenshots, memes, literally everything. Now think about it. That private screenshot you never wanted anyone to see, it could be sitting in Google's cloud right now without you even knowing. Here is the fix. Open Google Photos, type your profile picture, then tap Backup. Then look for Backup Device folders. Turn off WhatsApp, Telegram, screenshots, and any folder you don't want online. Choose the right backup quality. Go back, scroll down, and choose Backup Quality. Google Photos gives you two options: original quality, full detail, but eats up your storage in no time. Storage saver, slight compression, smaller file size, perfect for casual photos. This one decision will save you from paying extra for Google storage. Unnecessary. If you are saving family or personal photos, choose Storage Saver. If you are professional who needs raw detail, go for original. Stop location tracking on your photos. Here is something scary. Every time you take a picture, it records your exact GPS location. That selfie outside your house? Yup, it has your home address embedded inside the file. If you share it, hackers or strangers could trace your exact movements. Here is the facts. Open your camera app, then go to settings and look for location tags or location. Turn it off. For older photos, open Google Photos, then select your photo, swipe up. If the photo has location, next to the location, tap on pencil icon and remove the location. Do this and you instantly stop giving away your personal map to the world. Watch out for device sensing. Any phone, tablet, or laptop signed into your Google account will automatically sync your photos. That means if you logged in on a friend's phone years ago and forgot, your pictures could still be visible there today. To fax, go to your device settings, scroll down and tap Google. Then tap on your Gmail, tap Google account. Now select security and sign in. Scroll down until you see your devices. Tap manage all devices. Check the list. If you see a device you don't recognize, tap sign out immediately. Better safe than sorry. Disable auto sharing and face recognition. Google Photos uses AI to recognize faces. It looks cool, right? But here is the catch. It can automatically suggest sharing photos of people, even private or sensitive ones. Go to Google Photos, Tap your profile picture, then go to photo settings. Tap privacy and look for face grouping. Turn it off. Go back and select sharing. Then partner sharing. Scroll down and make sure it's off. This keeps your private memories under your control only. There you go, 5 settings that could be silently risking your privacy. If you follow these steps, you will not only protect your photos but also stay in control of your personal life. But if you ignore them, well, your account, your memories, and even your home location could end up in the wrong hands.